Hi, this is Darnell with Way Over Recipes, and today I'm going to show you how to make boiled eggs in a basket air fryer. And I have the Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket air fryer on hand, so I'm going to be using that, but we're only going to need one basket for this cook. And so let's get cooking up some boiled eggs in a basket air fryer right now. And so here I have 2 eggs fresh out the refrigerator, and I have them inside one of the basket air fryer. I'm going to close things on up there. And now I'm going to turn the cooker on, already on side 1. I'm going to set it to air fry, set the temperature down to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, set the cooking time down to 14 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and start, and I'll bring you back when the boiled eggs are finished. So we're coming to the end of 14 minutes, and things are doing their final cool down. I'm just going to let it finish that little cool down sequence. It just runs for maybe 30 seconds or so, or less, really less than probably 30 seconds to do that cool down. So now I'm going to get my boiled eggs out of here. I'm just going to put them into a bowl. Now at this point they are fully hard boiled. I've done testing before. These are fully hard boiled. You can open them right now. They're fully hard boiled. I personally like to just let them rest and cool down naturally. I'm aware of putting them into the ice bath and all that good stuff. I've done it so many ways, but I personally like to just let them set and cool, and that's what I'm going to do. And so after they have cooled down, we'll open them up, but they don't need to set to cook any further. If you wanted to get cracking on them right now, throw them in your ice bath, whatever you want to do, that's up to you. But I'll bring you back in a moment when they're cooled down. Alright, so I've given these about 15 minutes just to cool down a bit. And so now I'm going to go ahead and get the shell off of them. So there's our finished deshelled hard-boiled eggs. And you see they're a little singed. You probably could cook them for a little less than I do, but that's how long I do, and they do get a little singe on them cooking them that long. But that's okay with me, and I see that singe even if I start deshelling them immediately after they come out of the cooker. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cut right through one just to show you that things are totally cooked in there. So we know that they're all done, and so now we'll do a taste test. So thank God for some nice boiled eggs, and let's do a taste. Alright, so it's a fully boiled egg. You can, depending on your basket air fryer and how done you like them, if you don't like that little bit of singe, I'm one who always cooks, things really well anyway. But, if you want to cook them a little less, and, it's all up to you. Feel out your air fryer, get the times that work best for you. But this gives you a basic concept of what to do, and this is repeatable on the Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket air fryer, or even if you have the smaller Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer, it should work the same with the same amount of time. It should. But basically feel out your air fryer, see how it works out for you, and you can make boiled eggs, no water required. And you can find in the video description lots of ways to help this channel, my cookbook. Also, there'll be a referral link for this cooker, pay the same price, help the channel. You can check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Lots of good things and recipes there. Also, if you did like this video, and there are other ways to help the channel in the video description as well, you can check those out on your own. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.